Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is me. It's time to take a me day, a pamper day. It's all about you. Fill up your cup. You're so busy with filling up the world's cup, helping others, comforting others. It's time to pamper yourself. Get a foot massage, a body massage. Eat your favorite food. Pardon, your favorite fruits, your favorite beverage, your favorite food. Go to your favorite place of peace. Do your favorite activity and hobby. These are the things that are going to build your confidence, your health, because a healthy spirit within Aquarius is such strong and impactful. In the way that, in the course that you're going, you can't burn yourself out, and make sure that everyone else in the world is fed and making sure their pitcher is full, and you go home to drops or an empty pitcher to yourself. Make sure you take care of yourself first. Therefore, once you're strong enough and you're healthy, therefore you can help others. But unhealthy Aquariuses, you can't work as effective, and it'll be frustrating. Your life will feel as though it's a job. It will feel as though you have to. No, when you fill up your cup and you feel good, your life becomes better. Therefore, you serve and you become happy to just do your job, do your service. And once you're happy on the inside, life becomes so much easier, and it becomes about living and doesn't feel like a burden of surviving. I allow serenity to reign within me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my soul. Therefore, all your needs are met and wants are granted to you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.